2021 Abu Robocon is coming. Its theme is throwing arrows into pot. The game is between red and blue teams. Each team has a throwing robot TR and a defensive robot DR. The game lasts 3 minutes at most. By an octagon baffle in the center, the game field is divided into inner area and outer area. These are inner and outer areas for the red team. These are inner and outer areas for the blue team. These are the start zone for the robots TR and DR. This is the arrow rack. 5 arrows can be arranged on it. There are total 5 pot tables in red and blue inner areas. 1 red pot and 1 blue pot are set on each table, and they belong to red team and blue team respectively. 2 first-type tables are set in the red and blue inner areas, 1 in each area. 3 pot table spots are arranged at the border between red and blue inner areas. 2 second-type tables fix in 2 sides, and 1 third-type table in the middle. The second-type and third-type tables can rotate under pushing from the robot DR. The 2 robots TR and DR of each team enter into their starting zones respectively, and the game is about to begin. After TR starts from its start zone, it can only run in its team's outer area, and entering the inner area is not allowed. But after DR starts, it can get in or out of the inner area at any time arbitrarily. TR can only be in the outer area and throw arrow to the pot on the table. If it throws 1 arrow into a pot, it must throw next arrow to another pot. After throwing all arrows it carries, it can take the arrows from its arrow rack, 5 at a time. DR can enter into its team's inner area, but can't throw arrow into any pot. It can turn the pot table to prevent the arrow thrown by opponent from entering the pot. DR can wave arrow to intercept arrows which the opponent team throws to the second type or third type table to prevent the opponent from scoring. And it can also pick up the arrows on the ground and deliver them to the outer area or TR. Also, it can return into the outer area to throw arrows into the pots. Who will win the game? Let's wait and see. If 1 arrow is in a team's any pot, the team earns 1 point. If 2 arrows are in a team's any pot, called as twinning, the team earns 4 points. Multiple twinning in a pot is allowed. In the game, if a team achieves twinning in its own 5 pots, then the team achieves great victory, and the game will finish immediately. If neither team gets the great victory, the team with more points wins. We look forward to wonderful Tohu competition in August 2021 in Jimo, China.